Hey guys, it's Ty with another video here. This is the E275 Razor little scooter here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change out the battery on one of these good guys. So here we go. Alright, so first thing you want to do is identify where the battery is located. And in this situation, the battery is actually right here, right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew these Phillip head screws first, and we'll go from there. Hold on. All right, so these screws here actually have a nut up under them. So I want you to be aware of that and not just screwing and it's just constantly just turning and you're wondering why the nut isn't coming away from the actual body of the scooter here. What I recommend is you guys go ahead and put your nut on your screw, lay it to the side. Let's see if we can get this one out. I'm gonna put the, there we go. Do the same thing with this one. Keep everything together. That way you can put it back like it was supposed to. I guess I'm gonna put this, put the camera down for a second. All right, so we'll go to this one here. Screw this guy. Stick him right there in the middle. Get at this one. Stick him on this side. Scoot down. We'll get at these here. See what we got going on. That one there. Alright, so I wasn't sure if a nut was actually under that one or not, but as you guys can see, there isn't. Alright, now that that's off, let's see what we got going on. Okay. Got a little something going on. Okay. So we gotta go to the alley wrench. So let me go get the tool for that right now. Like I said, I'm using a Phillip head screwdriver. And I'll be right back. We're gonna grab the Allen wrench key. Okay, guys, so got my Allen wrench keys here. And unloosen that guy. Put him over there. Get this one. Loosen. Alrighty, and voila, there are the batteries, guys. So as you can see now, I guess we're gonna take the, oh whoa, now that guy is pretty tight. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, let me put a little pressure on this thing and get right back with you and show you how to disconnect everything. Okay, guys, so I got this one to break, but I wanted to show you. It's a small, real short, real small screw. But man, it took a little bit of muscle to get that guy out. So bear with it and try not to strip the head. As you can see, the head on this thing was on its way of being stripped. Try not to strip the head when trying to break it, or you may just really have to break it at the end of the day. Alright, the other short guy there, put him right there, and voila, the batteries are revealed. So now at this point, guess we'll see what we got going on here. And you don't want to mess with nothing that you don't have to mess with. Make your life simple. Only deal with what you got. Okay. So what we got going on here. Alright, so what it looks like. Okay. So it looks like I may be able to disconnect this right there. Push that good guy out. Be right back. Okay guys, so definitely wanted to point this out to you. So after disconnecting this harness here, I realized that you see the gunk, the little glue or whatever that they have here, this plastic covering it. This is where the battery is actually connected to the harness. So you want to take some what is that? Something to scrape it off or whatever to get that off real quick. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Let me go ahead and take care of that part, and I'll show you what we got next. Okay, guys. So just wanted to show you what I decided to do was just go ahead and just merely just cut the ends off of the batteries, because what's going on is actually there's a prone here and a prone here, prone there and a prone there that actually males. They'll be sticking out when you purchase your new battery, and what you would do then is put on these ends, of course, an end like this. And you'll put that on the other end here and apply it to the battery, and you'll be reconnected. Put everything back like you took it off, and you should be ready to rock and roll, man. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out with the E275 Razor Scooter battery replacement.